You've got your slippers on.
Yes.
Do you have your insert in them?
No, I don't. They're just not working as well as they did at first. It seems like they've been crushed down.
Probably the
They're
insert.
less effective.
The insert got crushed. Why don't we take them in, have an orthopedic lift put on them. It's inexpensive to do, and that might take care of the problem. That way you were complaining because your shoe didn't fit as well on the one that had the insert in it, right?
Right, exactly.
So by putting it on the outside, we won't have that issue. Okay?
That'd be great. And I have these old shoes over there too that I wear in the house a lot, and I'd love to have those done also.
Yeah. Well, we can try them. It's not like it's going to do damage. They need,
Right.
well, they really need a polishing too, don't they?
Yeah,
All right.
just experiment on them. That'd
All right.
be great. Thank you.
Give me your shoes. I'll take them in.
Thank you.
Hi, how you doing? Nice store. I'm bringing this in because my wife went to her orthopedic guy. She had her hip replacement and her one leg needs a lift. And so I'm wondering if you can do these shoes. It's just her left leg.
Okay. Sure.
He said about 5/8
5/8
on each one.
Yeah, no problem.
And how long will it take?
Oh, make it good, like 3 days.
Awesome, awesome. We'll see you in a few days. Thanks.
Put the other glue. It's back on. Make a nice and shine. Right, now they happen.
These tops.
You know, polish nice and neat. Before and after. There's a big difference. So we want to get it.
I got your shoes back with the orthopedic lifts on them, and I thought maybe you'd want to try them on.
Wow, they look great.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they look fantastic.
Yeah, they put the lift on the bottom of the shoe. It never wears out that way. And here are the brown ones. Remember those?
Yeah. Oh, this is great. They feel good. They feel fine.
Cool.
Wow, let me try on the brown ones.
That'd be great. Didn't take as much time. It wasn't really that expensive either.
This is great. I just
Yeah.
can't believe this.
They look
how
kinda
good
like-
they
no,
look.
they
I
were-
can't even tell there's anything in them.
I know, and they were beat up before too. They really.
I know, they are beat up shoes, but
They're
they're comfortable.
Well, they restored the finish and everything on them.
This is fantastic. This is perfect.
How do they feel?
Perfect. Perfect. I really needed these.
Great. Great. Cool. All right.
Excellent.
Hey, hon, I'm online, and remember that place that did your orthopedic lifts? I found them online,
Really?
and it looks like they do them online now. You can just mail them in. And wow, all different kinds. They do jogging shoes, and they also appear to have this spring, like a spring option that you can add to them now, which I didn't have before. What do you say we send your shoes in?
Fantastic. Send them all in.
All right, let's get it done. It's shoerepairsonline.com. Okay.